Hello and welcome to Simplified Statistics by Chesta. Today we will learn how to run first program in RStudio. If you want to know how to install R and RStudio, then the link of that video has been given in the description. So let's start. First of all, we will open RStudio. It will appear like this, and this is the R console. The output will appear in the console window. Now, we will create a new script, and for that we will go to the file menu, click on new file and click on R script. The script window has been opened. Now we will write the first program in the script. So we are writing here print hello. Here we have used print function because it is used to display or output a value to the console. Now we will write our next code, print welcome to. Here we are using double quotes in the brackets to tell R that what is inside the quote is a text string. Now we will write our channel name, and we are using assignment operator here. Now we have used here is assignment operator, which is used to assign a value to a variable. Here our variable is the channel, and we have given the value to this channel, that is Simplified Statistics by Chesta. And at last we will print channel. After writing the program, we will save it, go to the file and then save. It will ask for the file name. You can give any name. Suppose I have given this hello. So you will save the program by giving .r extension and click on save. Now we will run the program and it will appear on the R console. Now to run the program, first we will select it and then click on run. Now you can see here the output has been shown in the console. And one more thing, whenever you are running the program in R console, then you will get the codes along with the program. As you can see here, print hello, and then it will print hello. But if you print it in the terminal, we will write R script and the name of the file, hello dot capital R, and then we will press enter. Now here you can see the difference. In console it will print the program with the code, and in terminal it will print only the value. So this was all about today's class. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. For more art tutorials, stay tuned with Simplified Statistics by Chesta. Thank you for watching.